Friends, I'm going to talk about The Cove, which is for the SB group of companies. It is a lifestyle furniture lounge, and in fact, when I say it's a furniture lounge, it amalgamates all the flavors and all the details which residents or which restaurant or which any commercial office space would require. The brief was very simple, and the clients wanted us to work on a concept with that it should not look like a store, it should not look like a typical retail outlet, it should not look like a typical showroom, and we would not want to call it as a showroom as well. The brief was well understood, and I realized that what we really wanted was an experience of moving into a certain space, and that space speaks for itself. That space feels you as if you're moving into your own personal space. So I realized that the best way to do it would be to make it look more natural, make it look more as connected as you would be doing your personal space as of interiors. About 4,500 square feet of this H shape space that we had, I realized that the product that the clients had, they were dealing with multiple different categories of furniture, which they wanted to see to it that it could be showcased well. So we decided that it would be best that we make it as a good contemporary and modern zone, and the other could be a luxury come modern zone. So the project is on the first floor of the building, and realized that as soon as we come on the lift lobby, that itself would give the first impression of creating your own personal lobby as you would have moved into any of your apartments or residence. So the design and the detail starts right from the way you come out of the lift, and we created a blend of colors in an inviting manner, which would be very welcoming. Although it was a showroom, we realized that we don't want to cut corners as far as the finishes are concerned, and the finishes were aptly taken and selected. So having said that, we created the lobby with some intrinsic nice inlay pattern. We also had one important aspect in the entire zone was that we really did not have a very good height. So we cleverly designed it in such a way that the impression that when you land up in the lobby creates that double height. At the same time, the moment I am on this particular zone, I could see the entire 360 degree, or you can say almost the 270 degrees of this showroom right as I come onto the lobby. And that is how we created the screens and the partitions, where we could actually infuse the glazed partitions with the fluted panels, and that is how you would be first stepping up into this zone. When we move in, as I said that we had ideally made this into 3 different zones. At the same time, you don't realize that it has been compartmentalized into 3 different zones. You could actually flow in the space, and one space amalgamates with the other, and the transition or the fusion of the space does not make you feel as if you are getting into 3 different zones. At the same time, all the 3 different zones have their own identity. We come into a larger area where the display of the furniture, the display of the wallpaper and the textures and the flooring and the shelving for the artifacts could be easily blended as if it's your formal living area. So then the lighting was very aptly designed in a way so that the ambience that you would like to create in your zone, when you move into any of your formal areas, you would feel the same, not giving that extra glare that what a showroom would have. Since this particular enterprise of the client had multiple more channel partners coming in, so the entire space was designed with a lot of textures of different kind, not again making it look like a gallery of textures, but also ensuring that each and every zone had its own surface finish, or you may say as nowadays the texture paints or the satin metal finishes were so well designed so that it looked as if it was really meant to be that way. Also, the soft furnishing was a part of the entire design process, where we induced the soft furnishing in a way which could not just speak out on its own, because I always believe that when you're designing a certain area, the hero of the particular zone is not a particular soft furnishing, or it is not the furniture, or it is not the flooring, it is not the light. When you always take this in a more holistic way, you could realize that you are having a better aspect of design, and the visitor who experiences this particular area at any particular time feels that as if he is walking into his own personal space. So to get the warmth in this entire zone, we also realized that there could be a beautifully finished wooden flooring, which could amalgamate very well with the Italian floor. One very interesting element in this entire project was the epoxy floor, which is the cement finished floor, which looks most interesting. And we realized that the impact of that particular material and that impact of that particular design overall really creates a stir when there is a visitor or a footfall on the showroom. What I realized is that while designing, when you're infusing so many materials, the art, the carpets, the soft furnishing, the screens, the partitions, the artifacts, and the furniture, apparently the feel that the soft texture that you need to create through this entire journey is what actually connects with the visitor. We had multiple other areas which was very important, like the conference room, which was large, which is huge enough for people to come and discuss their projects and take it further. We also ensured that the experience of one who visits the restroom is also apparently as if it's been well designed, and that is what we ensured. There was a very small cafeteria that we created, which was more like a kitchen or a studio kitchen, but at the same time it had a feel of a cafeteria where you could just hang around and have a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. All said and done, I would prefer that you should go and experience this store, not because we have designed it, it's because you would love the experience of enjoying an entire area with such a lot of beautifully crafted material and design and detail, and the lines being very simple and blending with the contemporary style. Thank you so much.